Guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll be showing you this way to earn up to $800 in a day just by searching Google with the method that I'm about to show you. So make sure to stick around until the end so that you wouldn't miss any steps and tips that I will give you throughout the video. But before we start, welcome to Team Teaching, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. If you are looking for a source of extra income, or maybe you are jobless and wanted to be productive, then you are in luck. In this video, I will tell you guys about this very cool and great website where you can submit your ideas and some of your work and get paid off it. You can even get some inspirations and ideas for your work from other intelligent people, because in our age there is a near infinite source of information at the touch of our fingers. Starting off this video, the website where going to show you how to earn money is it's called MindSumo. Now this kind of website you can earn a bunch of money, and you can see that they are actually working with a lot of big, well known brands such as Spotify, Dell, IBM, and even Disney. So don't worry about the legitimacy of the website because it is 100% legit. In MindSumo, companies they want to start new ideas can actually crowdsource ideas using MindSumo. Question answers. This is the place where they go. Once you see an idea that they want, they will take it and pay you in cash in return. So that is why you can actually go to MindSumo and make a submission if you want to give it a shot. The more submission you put in, the higher chances of getting picked to start. We are going to have to create an account to make one. We are going to register page or go to MindSumo. Come start to register. Go ahead and add your details in such as your name, your email, your birthday, etc. Just make sure to fill in your details as necessary. But I want to make sure to follow these steps in the creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Make sure to not put in or low proficiency, adding those will increase your chances of getting rejected. So make sure that you will choose at least above average but not high professionally. Since we are not total experts, we are still have an idea of what we will do then. After that, make sure to the agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you make sure to the agree and the terms and condition and the privacy policy. You don't have to take the first three boxes, but after but just last three because they are actually required. Then clear the captcha and you are going to sign up. So you have to fill the captcha. Once you log in and using your account, MindSumo is going to ask if you are a company or a problem solver. So that is what we are going to do. Now what a problem solver does is basically solve problem and provide by a certain companies that when you solve innovate an idea to it, they will give you money once you are joined as a problem solver. Once you are joined as a problem solver, you can see some problems that are needed to be solved, and when you click on all, you can see the past problems that have already been solved. If you guys are enjoying this video, so don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back into the video. Now using Google, we can actually copy and paste the challenges questions into Google in order for us to look for different ideas on the internet. You can use Google as a tool to score and research the internet for fresh or even better ideas that you can get so that you can solve the problems, admire some more, and earn money. Once you choose a challenge to solve, you can go ahead and type up questions related to the challenge. Let's say your challenge is about a new brand wanting to tap into the relevant digital platforms to reach a Gen Z audience. You can Google ideas on how to tap into a market and look for ideas that you can use. Articles from big sources such as Harvard or Oxford can pop into your results pages, and you can pull ideas from these highly respected institutions so that you can have an inspiration to start your own. Or you can use Google Scholar to search for academically peer reviewed articles and papers that you have assessed in order to grab some inspiration from them. Once you have an idea of what you are going to do, you can take what you find and what you want to rewrite and try to make it your own. Add your own spin and flair to these ideas so that it will stick out. And once you are done, you are going to submit it as your own. There are a lot of different websites that can you pull inspiration from, and there are so many potential ideas that you can expand upon and create new one based on the old ones that you already have. You can check new product ideas, you can check what's hot and what's not, and you can look what is popular right now. Once you do this many times, you will just get better and better and earn more and more, and that's it. This has been done. Make sure to subscribe this channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button and I will see you in the next video.